Coal mining is an extremely difficult job. In the past, mining disasters used to occur frequently. But at SCCL, mining disasters have decreased dramatically in the last few decades, thanks to the commitment and participation by management, regulators, and most importantly, employees of the company and union representatives. At SCCL, highest priority has always been given to safety. In our company, safety is not just a part of our mining procedure, but it's a core process and is integrated in every part of our operations. We at SCCL take our safety policy very seriously, and we have committed ourselves to become a zero accident company. We are currently operating 48 mines, out of which 19 are open cast mines and 29 are underground mines. At any underground mining environment, there will always be inherent dangers present all the time. But today's high efficient and productive technologies that are implemented by us in underground mines has enabled us to successfully mine the coal reserves with very minimum number of accidents. Today, an SCCL miner's attire includes a hard hat with battery-operated headlamp, which is very compact and light in weight, steel-toed boots, and a portable apparatus called a self-rescuer, a device by which a human can breathe in very low oxygen content atmospheres, and it will provide you the ability to breathe for a period of approximately 1 hour. These are an integral part of our safety equipment, and self-rescuers are placed in underground mines at convenient locations to be used by miners in case of an emergency. Safety lamps are carried by team members and team leaders. If oxygen levels are lower than a certain percent, the flame goes out. This system helps the miners to identify if the oxygen is low or if dangerous gases are present in the mine. Supporting the age-old practice of safety lamps, all the mines are equipped with latest handheld gas detectors for accurate and effective measurement of the underground atmosphere. Levels of coal mine dust are constantly monitored and controlled by spraying limestone dust on the walls. The walls of the galleries of underground mines are surprisingly white instead of black. This is due to the application of rock dust, which is powdered limestone that is sprayed to the mine roof and sides to prevent mine explosions. Limestone dilutes any hazardous concentration of coal dust, which can cause explosions. Large ventilating fans also remove any lingering coal dust as well as methane gas. From the surface, huge ventilating fans are used to cause a pressure difference to pull the atmospheric air from the outside into the coal mine. This is called a ventilation system. It removes gases from the mining areas and helps to control and reduce dust. These ventilation shafts with powerful fans which circulate the air replace the air inside the mine with fresh air from outside. This system helps to keep the air in the mine always at approved quality. At SCCL, we are using pneumatic and hydraulic roof bolting systems using roof bolts in all our underground mines. These bolts are long rods driven to the roof to bind several layers of weak strata into one layer that is strong enough to support its own weight. These roof bolts help to prevent cave-ins in the underground mines, and miners can work safely under the roof. Various instruments like auto warning telltale, load cell, etc. are being used to monitor the strata conditions in the mines, so that if any problem is observed, necessary action can be taken before an incident might happen. Telemonitoring systems and tube bundle systems are introduced in the needy underground mines to continuously monitor and assess the gases that are present in the mines. Also, Temperature and humidity readings are taken at working phase and go-off areas regularly. Air samples are being collected at regular intervals and are analyzed at the surface to observe the presence of dangerous gases, if any. We are implementing advanced methodologies and technologies imported from SIMTARS, the Safety in Mines Testing and Research Station of Australia. For the analysis of mine gas samples, gas chromatographs are being used. This technology not only analyzes the gas samples of the mine but can also assess the explosivity of a mine's atmosphere. This way, we can predetermine the chances of an accident happening well in advance and take necessary preventive measures.
For ensuring the safety of the mines in the SCCL, besides the inspections of the DGMS personnel, we are also having the workers' participation in the management and workmen inspectors, and also safety committees are regularly inspecting the mines, and they are suggesting the needs, discrepancies, anything day to day to the concerned mine management, and the things are being immediately rectified by the local management. At the same time, every yearly we are conducting the tripartite with DDMS and unions and management. We are conducting the meetings, a bipartite meeting also once in 6 months, to know the exact conditions, exact discrimination, and to take the necessary precautions. Besides that, for ensuring the safety of the mines in the underground, we are following the latest techniques in the roof bolting. We are going with hydraulic and pneumatic roof bolting systems, and also we have eliminated the hand section mining with STLs, and also monitoring the roof bolt, monitoring the strata monitoring. We are having with tie-up with scientific bodies like SIMFAR and NIRM, and also NIT, and also international consultants SIMTARS. We are taking every step with the discussions with the scientific organizations for development as and when need.
Lockout and tagout procedures are mandatorily followed to avoid any mishappenings. At open cast mines, all the heavy earth moving machinery operators are well trained regarding safe operations of the machinery. These employees are periodically checked and assessed regarding their knowledge of safe operating procedures. Compared to Coal India Limited and other mines of the country, the open cast mines of SCCL pose a challenge for economic exploitation of coal due to very high stripping ratio. With a comparable stripping ratio to Coal India Limited, we at SCCL can produce 3 times the coal produced from other open cast mines in the country. World-class excavation equipment is deployed in SCCL for open cast mines. Advanced safety features like automatic fire detection and suppression system, proximity sensors, etc. are used on heavy earth moving machinery to ensure safe operations. All the employees working at mines take a pledge of safety every day before beginning their work for the day. This mandatory practice is being implemented at all the mines, may it be underground or open cast. This acts as a reminder to take necessary safety precautions while performing duties. All the employees are trained for improving skills and safety awareness. At SCCL, we believe that creating awareness about safety makes people voluntarily follow the safety procedures. To achieve this, safety weeks are observed every year to remind and reinforce practicing safe working procedures. Acts and skits are performed to educate employees about the importance of safety. At mine level, pit safety committees are formed with employees of all cadres as members. These committees observe and recommend necessary safety precautions to be taken in their specific mines. Safety review meetings are also being conducted to assess the performance of these committees, and necessary advice is given from the reviewers to improve the performance of them. At SCCL, we strongly believe that prevention is better than cure.